Welcome to Guns, Guns, Gear, and Guns with Gary Gunderson. I am Gary Gunderson. A friend of the channel recently purchased an MG-42 BFONG, or blank firing only non-gun, but the internals are mostly the same compared to a real one and get very dirty from the usage of blanks when reenacting the war. He was told a cleaning tip that sounded interesting, so I recorded it for demonstration purposes. The tip was to spray the inside with Barbasol shaving cream, and as the foam of the shaving cream dissipates, it will look gray or black, having pulled out a lot of the carbon fouling from the various nooks, crannies, and crevices. However, we could only find a Gillette brand shaving cream. Figuring it's the best a man can get, it would probably work the same way as long as it wasn't a gel form. So behold the demonstration. Welcome, soldier. It's important to clean your weapon, and I have one handy tip for you: shaving cream. Be sure to use Barbasol branded shaving cream, as the ingredients help the foam dissipate easier, pulling out all that nasty carbon. If you use another inferior product, well, it'll look like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man took it out back and had its way with your firearm. A bit of nasty business. Of course, the first step is to carefully disassemble your firearm, keeping in mind the spring tension of the different pieces.
Oh shit, you okay?
Ouch! Now that the foam has dissipated, or you've removed most of it and made a weird little snowman shaving cream creature on the ground, either way, you take some pots of boiling water and pour it into the internals to wash the remnants away. Needless to say, proper footwear is important when handling boiling water. Now that the carbon has been removed, quickly spray the internals with WD-40, as the water displacement properties will help prevent any rust. And since WD-40 is not a proper gun oil, you then clean out all of that WD-40 you just inserted with proper gun oil and lubricant of your choice. So there's still definitely cleaning that needs to be done. Well done, soldier. If you followed all of these steps properly, well, you've literally shaved minutes off of your cleaning time. All kidding aside, it did help, we think, though I don't know if it was the shaving cream or if the boiling water did the heavy lifting here. We may try it again in the future with the proper Barbasol to see if it does any better though. Looking at it afterwards, there are differences in ingredients between the two shaving creams, so it could legitimately have a real difference. I'm not certain if it's actually worth all the extra effort and time boiling the water using the shaving cream, but it was an interesting experiment regardless. That's all for today. Let me know what you think of this technique in the comments, if you think it's complete hogwash or has some merit, or if you'd like to see it done again with Barbasol in the future. Let me know if you know of other unusual gun cleaning methods to try out. And if you've made it to the end of the video, please consider supporting the channel by subscribing, joining my Patreon, liking the video, and sharing it with others. That all helps the channel grow and helps me create more content for viewers like you. Thanks for watching.